What do you have there, Saydee lady? Huh? Your very first bird. You're not going to let it go, are you?
Nope.
Ah, you're going to go swimming with it again. Hey, Saydee. Saydee. What do you got?
What's that?
What's that?
Let me see.
Come on.
Let me see, Saydee.
Where's the bird? Get the bird. Good
I
job.
got him by the beak.
Good job. Woohoo.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, you got to pick it up better than that, brother. Yeah.
She got it by a fin.
The wing hold. A fin?
A wing.
The wing hold just isn't going to cut it, brother.
Sister.
Sister. But she's so proud.
Oh, what a
She's
good
so
girl.
proud.
She wants it to go again.
Look at the tail going a mile a minute.
She's so funny.
She's so proud.
Saydee, what are you doing?
All right, crazy. Hey, hey, hey. Take it easy.
What is that?
Take it easy. You know, normally I wouldn't let her do this, but you got to get her pumped up for it. And she loves it. Oh my God. Huh, Saydee?
What a good
Your first
girl.
Millard. Hey, no shake.
No shake.
No shake.
Good girl.
Yeah, that girl.
That's your